Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice and I just deleted a clip off my camera that I hadn't imported on my laptop that I need for another video. Yay. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alice. I do makeup tutorials and reviews and things like that here on YouTube. So if you would like to see more of that, then carry on watching this video, and also it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel. Today I thought I would do a review and a testing video on the Coloured Raine Safari Rain palette. And they also have 3 lipsticks, a pair of lashes, and 2 brushes, which I'm also going to be using in this video. Thank you so much for the love on my past 2 videos. It really means a lot. I have been doing YouTube for like 5 years now and it's never really taken off, but it means so much that you guys loved those last 2 videos. And let me know if there's any other videos you want to see. Coloured Raine sent this to me yesterday and I thought I would do a review on it today. I'm going to an event later with Pixie, but yeah, hopefully it's good because I want my makeup to look good. This is what it looks like, but it's so beautiful and it kind of reminds me of SUBCULTURE. So it's got the like green and orangey vibes to it. There's 4 matte shades and then 5 shimmer shades and they all look beautiful. I'm not sure what look I'm going to do. The brushes are the blending brush and shadow brush. The shadow brush looks so nice for cutting the crease. It's really thin and I'm gonna definitely try that out. And then the blending brush, I usually like a smaller blending brush, but I definitely will use this. I'll tell you about the lashes and the lipsticks when I get to them, but that is that so far. I'm not sure how much this palette is. Let me have a look on their website. Okay, so it's gonna be up on the 8th of March and it's the 5th I'm filming this today. It'll be around £30, $29.59, but I'm not sure if this will be different on any other website. The lashes are they cruelty-free? I hope they are. Yes, foaming, thank God. They look so cool. They are £15. The blending brush is £9. The shadow brush is £7.50. This is like roughly because they are like translated prices, so they're like 0.8 like sort of things. And then the lipsticks are £11-ish, I think. I don't know if they're going to Beauty Bay. I think they should be. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the shade 01. I think I'm going to go with the shade Jungle first, which is the dark green. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to use the blending brush and I'm going to pack that. I'm kind of shook. Not kind of, I'm very shook. What the hell? I just went like that. One swipe. Bloody hell. Coloured Raine don't mess about. I really do love their vivid pigments. I haven't used them in ages though, because I kind of was using them so much that I was like, right, Alice, put them down, use something else. And then the James palette came out and I just was using that. And yeah, so I definitely want to pick those back up again. So I'm just like packing this. I usually do this in like every single video, but I'm like packing it on the outer corner and then bringing it into the front of my crease because I'm going to do a half cut crease. Because I feel like I can use more shimmer shades when I do a half cut crease, and there's 5 shimmer shades in here, so I want to use a reasonable amount. That's why I do quite a lot of half cut creases when I do testing videos, because if there's a lot of shimmers, because then I can use the shimmers, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just slightly blend out those edges so there's not a really harsh line. Really slightly above so there's a little bit of a blend, but not too much. I don't want it to be too high up. Also, I bought a new microphone. Well, I never had a microphone before. I bought a microphone. I was umming and ahhing for ages about getting a microphone, but my audio has always been so bad and the hissing in the background is just so annoying. But I've just bought this. I did play around with it a tiny bit, like a tiny bit yesterday. So I'm not sure if the audio will be that great right now. There she is. Say hello. Oh, sorry. Say hello. Say hello. Boop. 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 I'm really happy with that shade so far. This is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40, but it's also the M506 or 7. The first shade I used was a shade Jungle, I don't know if I told you that, and then this one is called Congo Basin, I think that's how you say it. So yeah, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to like pack it on above that shade, so like half above, half on that shade. Ooh, that's so nice. It's more of like a yellowy green. The first shade was more like a bluey green and this one's more like a yellowy green. My camera battery just died, so sorry if the angle has changed. Rosie, no. Also, I just realised, can we talk about this packaging? It's so beautiful. Shook. And also, these shades are blending together so nicely. Like, I've never, like, what? I'm so shook. Like, for such dark greens, it's insane. Now I'm going to take some more of that shade Congo Basin on a tiny fluffy brush, really lightly, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. Now going back in with the more dense brush just to pack on that shade a little bit more. Now going back in with Jungle, the first shade, just to reinforce that a little bit. I didn't really need to, but I just like to. Okay, so I'm really impressed with that so far. I'm absolutely obsessed. These are so pigmented and so blendable. Oh, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the P. Louise base in the shade 0, which is the white, and I'm going to use the shadow brush that is from the collection 2. I'm guessing it is for shadow, but it looks so good for cutting the crease. It's so thin, I don't even think you can see that. But I'm just going to cut my crease. Really like that brush for cutting the crease. It was so easy. I'm going to go back in with the first brush I used with the first shade Jungle, and I'm just going to pat along those edges so there's no harsh lines. I'm going to wipe this brush off as much as I can because I'm also going to use it for the shimmer shade. I think it would be a really nice brush for that too. I feel like I need about 50 of these brushes already. Right, I'm not sure which shimmer shades I'm going to go in with. I'm definitely going to use a bit of Green Valley, so I'm going to go in with that first because I'm going to use that on the outer part. Oh, come on. These are beautiful. Coloured Raine are so underrated, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness, I just watched them look at Lioness. I mean, they're all beautiful, but... So I'm now going to go in with the shade Toucan, which is this really pretty gold. And I'm going to put that next to the green shade. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is my new favourite palette, I'm telling you now. On the inner part, I'm going to take Lioness, which is, again, absolutely beautiful. It's probably the most foiled shade, this shade. It's stunning. I think I'm going to do my base makeup, then come back and show you the lower lash line, the lashes and the lipstick as well. Done my base, and I'm a bit... because I tried out the new Revolution Pro Powder Foundations, which is supposedly like the MAC one, to add a bit more coverage in places that I needed. And I bought 3 shades because they were on 3 for 2 and I was going to buy 2 anyway. I've tried 2 shades, the F3 and the F4, and they're both really weird shades, like really pinky. I don't know if you can tell, but they're just really weird shades and I don't know, you can't even tell that much, but they're really weird. Like, they're just really pink. I haven't tried F2 yet because, I mean, I don't want to waste another one. I don't know, like they looked really weird and patchy, and then I did spray my face with a lot of this Chewy setting mist by Anastasia, which I absolutely love. And it like toned it down, luckily, but it's still like, I put it here and you can kind of see it. I put it here and I had to take it off. And it's just a bit weird. I don't know how to feel about it. I think I might use a bit of this dark brown shade, which is Matriarch, just like really close to my lash line. Now I'm gonna go in the Jungle. Now I'm going to go in with Congo Basin again and just blend that out. I don't know whether to put that red shade on my inner corner or not. I'm like really tempted. Okay, so I asked my mum and she told me that I should. So I'm going to put this shade, which is Tigress. It's so beautiful. It's like a red orangey shade. I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Oh my gosh. I'm using my finger first. And I'll probably blend it out a bit because it's like a circle right now. I think it looks crazy, but I love it. I'm going to be getting some great looks on the tube today. These look really cool. I actually love the packaging too. These are the Glamazon lashes. Great name. And these are what they look like. So I put on the lashes. They're a little bit different for me because they're a little bit spiky, but I like them. They're cool. And I did put like an orangey shade on my waterline, and then I put a bit of this shade Lioness with this shade Tigress just to make it a little bit brighter. There are 3 shades of lipsticks. So there's a really dark one which is Huntress. Then there's this like middle shade, more like red. I think it's a red in the shade Queendom, and then there's this more nudie shade in the shade Coloured Raine. I'm going to open them all up and show you. This is like a brown shade. This is the shade Huntress. This is the more nude shade. It's quite pinky, really pretty. Yes, this is like an orangey red, really pretty shade. This is the shade Queendom. So I think I'm going to use the nudie kind of shade, but I still don't think it will go with this look. It's too pink. I feel like I need like an orangey shade, but I'm going to try it on. I might have to change it for the event, but yeah. Creamy but not too creamy. It's actually quite purpley. This is the shade Coloured Raine. It's a really pretty shade, but it really does not go with this look. Yeah, I like the formula. It feels like it's like matte, but it's not like really drying. I'm going to change my lips before I go to the event because they don't go with this look, but this is the finished look using the Coloured Raine Safari Rain collection. My favourite thing is definitely the palette. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's so beautiful, so pigmented, so easy to blend, and I love Coloured Raine shadows anyway, but these are just, oh, they're beautiful, and it reminds me of SUBCULTURE. The shimmers are just stunning, like they're like foiled AF. You don't need to spray your brush. The mattes are just, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. I also really liked the lashes and I like the lipstick. It just doesn't go with this look, but that's okay. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I am impressed with this palette. Thank you so much to Coloured Raine for sending it to me. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I post lots of different makeup looks and stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a really lovely day, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!